Greetings, young learners. Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers, where knowledge and imagination meet. Today, buckle up for an exciting journey into the realm of economics, exploring the fascinating world of economic activities and trade. Ever wondered how your favorite toys or snacks magically appear on store shelves? Or how your parents earn the money to provide for your needs? The answer lies in the realm of economic activities. Economic activities are the actions people take to produce, sell, and buy goods and services. They are the driving force behind our economy, shaping our lives in countless ways. Imagine a bustling farmer's market, brimming with fresh fruits and vegetables. The farmers, diligently cultivating their fields, are engaged in production, the first stage of economic activities. They sow seeds, nurture crops, and harvest their bounty, transforming nature's gifts into nourishment for our tables. Moving beyond the fields, we enter factories, where skilled workers and machines transform raw materials into the products we use daily. From the assembly of bicycles to the manufacturing of clothing, these factories are hubs of production, where goods take shape and prepare to meet the needs of consumers. Once goods are produced, they embark on a journey to reach our hands. This is where distribution comes into play. Distribution involves transporting goods from producers to retailers, ensuring they reach consumers in a timely and efficient manner. Imagine a vast shipping port, where colossal cargo ships unload containers filled with goods from distant corners of the globe. These goods are then transported by trucks and trains, crisscrossing the land like veins in a body, reaching warehouses and distribution centers. From distribution centers, goods make their final stop at supermarkets, retail stores, and online platforms, ready to be purchased by eager consumers. This intricate web of distribution ensures that we have access to a wide array of products, from fresh produce to the latest gadgets. What do bananas, chocolate, and coffee have in common? They all travel across borders to reach our tables. Thanks to the wonderful phenomenon of trade. Trade is the exchange of goods and services between different countries or regions. Imagine a world map, adorned with vibrant lines representing trade routes. These lines connect countries across vast oceans and continents, enabling the flow of goods and services. Farmers in Thailand send their fragrant rice to Japan, while Japan exports its sophisticated electronics to the United States. Trade allows us to experience the flavors and products of distant lands, enriching our lives with diversity. We can savor the aroma of freshly brewed coffee from Colombia, indulge in the delicate sweetness of Belgian chocolates, and adorn ourselves with fabrics from India's vibrant textile industry. Economic activities and trade are not mere abstract concepts. They play a pivotal role in shaping our world. They are the lifeblood of our economies, providing jobs, fostering innovation, and contributing to global prosperity. Economic activities create a multitude of employment opportunities, allowing people to earn a living and contribute to their communities. Doctors, engineers, teachers, and countless other professionals engage in economic activities, providing essential services that keep society functioning smoothly. Trade fuels innovation and competition, driving businesses to improve their products and services to meet the demands of consumers worldwide. This constant pursuit of excellence leads to advancements in technology, design, and production methods, improving our lives in countless ways. If you're having as much fun as I am, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling expedition through economic activities and trade. Remember, every job is essential, and trade helps us get the things we love. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun. Goodbye, future leaders.